Today we're going to talk about um, linking. This is the second uh, uh, session where we're looking at linking. Um, so to recap, linking is when a word that, okay, in spoken Spanish, when a word that ends in a vowel is followed by a word that begins with a vowel. Those vowels are linked into one syllable, even if they are different. So, in the following examples, you'll first hear two words pronounced separately and then pronounced as they're linked in spoken Spanish. So, in the last exercise, we are looking at words where the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the second word, if they are similar, then they're linked and they form one sound. Okay, so in this case, the difference is that if the last letter of the first word ends in a vowel and the first letter of the second word ends in a vowel, then, and even if they are different, they will be linked. So let's look at some examples.
Listen and note how the two words are linked.
Cielo azul, cielo azul. Cielo azul, cielo azul. Cielo azul, cielo azul.
Alright, so obviously the last letter is O, it's a vowel, and A is also a vowel. So cielo azul, cielo azul.
Cielo azul, cielo azul.
Cielo azul, cielo azul.
Chico antipático, chico antipático.
Chico antipático, chico antipático.
Chico antipático, chico antipático. Chica interesante, chica interesante.
Chica interesante, chica interesante.
Chica interesante, chica interesante.
Chica interesante, chica interesante.
Libro aburrido, libro aburrido.
Libro aburrido, libro aburrido. So libro, from what I know, is books. I'm not sure what is aburrido, but
Libro aburrido, libro aburrido.
libro aburrido, libro aburrido.
Libro aburrido, libro aburrido.
And you have two R's together, so you had a trilling R as seen in the previous lessons.
Revista interesante, revista interesante.
Revista interesante, revista interesante.
Una, otra, una otra.
Una, otra, una otra.
Listen and repeat. Take special care to link the words together in the manner of the native speaker.
Cielo azul,
Blue sky, cielo azul, blue sky.
chico antipático,
Chico antipático,
chica interesante.
chica interesante,
Libro aburrido,
libro aburrido,
revista interesante.
revista interesante,
Una otra,
una otra.
Again, listen and repeat. Be sure to link the words together.
Cielo azul,
Cielo azul,
chico antipático.
chico antipático,
Chica interesante,
chica interesante,
libro aburrido,
libro aburrido,
revista interesante,
revista interesante,
una otra.
una otra. Alright, folks, looks like we have completed this exercise. We have one more linking exercise which we'll be looking at in the next video. So until then, see you next time.